empty the catch can. It's been a little while. See where she's at. Yep, been too long because she is full, as you can see. So I just wanted to talk to y'all real quick about the Jay Green tune. He also tuned my 2014 Ram. Love it. Great guy to work with, very knowledgeable about these Hemi computers and these 8-speed transmissions. And so it was seeing that there's no dynos in my area, none that I can find, and it seemed like the most logical route. Email him a list of all the mods you've done to your vehicle and send your money through PayPal. He emails you back a tune. I went with the PCM and the TCM tune, so it is a completely different car. Haven't done nothing else different. I've been driving on the 93 can tune from Diablo Sport for about 2 or 3 months, and it is a definite difference when you get someone to write you a tune. If you don't have access to a dyno to write you a tune for the mods you've done, I can't complain, and I'm looking forward to what's next.